Hello everyone! For today's video, I will be showing you how I prep my skin before going to work. And first of all, I will be using my Ole Henriksen C-Rush Brightening Gel Cream that gives 24-hour hydration, targets fine lines and wrinkles with 3 sources of vitamin C and Rose of Winter extract. So I will be putting a small amount on my fingertips and I'll just let it warm a little bit and then apply all over my face. It has also a hyaluronic acid that gives more hydration and brightening effect that you will see within the 7th period of days. After that, I will be applying the Banana Bright Eye Cream that has vitamin C, collagen boosted, reduce the look of dark circles and fine lines as well, improves the look of concealer, make the concealer more long lasting, and at the same time, it will really give you as well a brightening effect. You can also mix this with your concealer. Small amount will do, like that. Blend here and just give it a little massage. It also blurs and brightens for an instant Ole glow. So once I have already my skincare, I will be using my Banana Bright Face Primer, and it also instantly illuminates and hydrates and improves the wear of your makeup. So I will be just putting a little pump on my finger and then apply it all over my face. I like it to apply this way than using a makeup brush because I want my skin to really absorb the product, and I believe that it also gives an instant glowing effect. After the Banana Bright Face Primer, I will be using now the Fenty Beauty Concealer in the shade of 280. I will just be putting a little bit here under the eye, here, my bumps, and then just blend it with a wet sponge. After I blend everything, I will be using the Invisimatte blotting powder with the use of brush number 195 from Fenty. So I will just apply under my eyes to reduce some glow or unwanted glow. That's it. And then now I will be using the Sunstalker bronzer in Private Island to give me a warmth and definition. Just tapping motion and then blend all together. What I'm also doing is apply it on my eyelid going up to give me a lifting effect. So after I apply that Sunstalker bronzer, I will be reapplying again the Banana Bright Face Primer, just a little bit, only to give me a little bit of glow on my cheekbone area, a little bit on my lips, and a little bit here on my temples to give you more healthy looking skin. After that, I will be applying my favorite gloss bomb, Universal Lip Gloss in Glass Slipper. I'm ready to work. And if you like this video guys, please don't forget to follow Kendo GCC for more tips and tricks. See you again. Bye-bye!